Oh no, this is a disaster. Look at this kitchen. What happened here?
Water! Water! Please give me water! My mouth is on fire!
Yuck! Yuck! It is too salty. I cannot eat this. It is terrible.
Wait, please do not panic. I can explain everything.
David, the floor is totally wet. The table is completely messy. Everything is everywhere.
It is too spicy. Too spicy. And too salty. And too sour.
This is terrible.
Okay, let me explain everything from the beginning. 1 hour ago, everything was perfect in this kitchen.
Yes. I was very hungry. Me too. We were waiting for good food.
Today is Sunday. Mom is resting.
Today, I am the head chef.
Really? You are the chef today?
Yes, I am the best chef today.
I am not sure about that. I am so hungry. My stomach is empty. I want food right now. Me too. I want yummy spaghetti.
Great! We will cook spaghetti together. First, a chef needs his tools. We need a pot. This is a pot. A big metal pot. Yes, a big pot to boil water.
A pot. A big pot.
Now, we add clean water. The water is very hot. Be careful.
Hot water. Very hot. Do not touch.
Next, we need a frying pan. This is a heavy frying pan.
Frying pan.
Good job! You are learning fast. We also need a bowl. This is a big round bowl.
Bowl.
Very good. Now we make the red sauce.
I really like tomato sauce. Me too.
We need sugar. Sugar is sweet.
Sweet. I like sweet food. Sweet is very good.
I will add white sugar now. 1 spoon, 2 spoons, 3 spoons.
Dad? That looks like a lot of sugar.
Yes, that is too much.
More is always better.
Dad, are you sure that is sugar?
Yes, yes, I am completely sure about it.
Dad, look at the box. That is salt.
No, it is sweet sugar.
It says salty on the box.
Oh, really?
Let me see. Okay, maybe a little salt is fine.
That is not a little. That is a lot of salt.
Now we add beautiful color. This is paprika.
Paprika? What is that?
It makes the sauce look very red.
That looks very, very red.
Very nice. Perfect color.
Dad? Is that spicy?
No. Paprika is not spicy.
Dad, read the bottle. That is chili powder.
Oh. Really? Okay. Maybe a little spicy is good for us.
But you put too much. Too much chili.
Now we need black pepper. Pepper makes it smell good. I will shake the pepper.
Achoo! Ooh!
Bless you, Dad.
Too much pepper, Dad.
Now we add yellow lemon.
Lemon is very sour.
I do not like sour food.
Sour is fresh. 1 lemon, 2 lemons, 3 lemons.
Dad, stop! Too sour.
Now we stir the sauce. Stir, stir, stir.
Stir.
The sauce is finally ready.
Really?
I am very scared to try.
Time to eat. Bon appetit!
I will try the first bite.
Too spicy! Too spicy! My mouth is on fire!
Water! Water! Please!
Let me try a little bit. Yuck! This is too salty. I cannot eat this. And too sour. My face is all sour now.
Spicy!
Ow!
Salty. Sour.
Let me try 1 small spoon. Cough. Cough. Oh no. I mixed the sweet sugar and the salt. I used spicy chili, not paprika. I added way too much sour lemon and too much black pepper.
Dad, this is really bad. Very, very bad.
I am so sorry, kids. I just wanted to make you happy.
Wait! Stop! Don't go anywhere. I have a quick question for you. Why is the food so bad today? A. Too much sweet sugar. B. Too much salt, chili, and lemon.
I know! I know! Let me answer.
Wait, Tom. Let our friends answer first. Write your answer in the comments right now. Don't scroll. Answer first. Don't worry, family. We can fix this together.
But Mom, it is too salty.
Add a raw potato.
A potato? Are you sure?
Yes, a potato takes the extra salt away. But it is too spicy and sour. Add a little sweet honey.
Honey is sweet.
Yes, sweet helps spicy and sour. See? Simple English is powerful. Add a potato. Too spicy. Very easy. Now stir the pot again.
Stir, stir.
Try it again, Tom.
Oh, it is much better. It is not too spicy. It is not too salty. And it is not too sour.
Really? Let me try it. Wow. It is very good now.
See? We can fix big mistakes with teamwork.
Thank you, Mom. You saved our dinner.
I am very happy now. Me too. The food is yummy.
Good food needs love and help from family.
I am sorry I made the kitchen so messy.
It is okay, David. We all make mistakes.
Next time, I will help you read the recipe.
Me too. We will read the bottles together.
Yes, we will cook as a strong team.
Teamwork is very important in our family. I like cooking with my family, even when it is messy.
Yes. Messy kitchen, but happy family.
Group hug, everyone.
We are a happy family. We love each other.
It is time for the final quiz. What did Mom add to fix the salty taste? A, a potato. B, a carrot.
Write your answer right now. Write A or B in the comments. Don't wait. Answer now.
I am waiting for your answer.
What do you like to eat? Sweet, salty, sour, or spicy?
Tell us in the comments.
If you like this story, please like and subscribe.
See you next time. Bye-bye.